Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to automatically comment on multiple Facebook groups. First, you need to log in MKTUID software and enter the group keyword that you want to scan. Set the number of groups you want to scan, and the software will automatically scan the groups which have the keyword you've entered for you. After successfully scanning, you can export the group list as an Excel file. You can open the Excel file, which includes information about the Facebook groups, such as UID, group name, group type, censorship status, number of members, and Facebook group link. Then log in to the MKT Care software, select the viral marketing feature, and choose the comment group option. An essential step is to copy the UIDs of the group you previously scanned and input them into the software. After that, select the accounts you want to use for comment, accounts already added to the software beforehand. Finally, select the comment content you've prepared to send to your target audience and set up a few basic parameters, then click Start. The software will use multiple Facebook accounts to automatically comment on the Facebook groups you have scanned. After the software commented done, you can check the comment by copy the link and search on Google to check it. This solution helps you save time and effort, allowing your product or service to automatically reach potential customers. Thank you and see you in next videos.